New, $2,000 with AI, Facebook and Instagram. How to make money online. Easy way to make money online. In this video, I'm going to show you a method that uses AI to earn money online through Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This method won't make you a millionaire overnight, but it can provide a steady stream of income. By following the steps in this detailed tutorial, you will know exactly what to do to start making money from anywhere in the world. Number 1. Step-by-step process. Step 1. Set up social media accounts. First, make sure you have accounts on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you don't have these accounts, go ahead and create them now. These accounts will be crucial for what we're going to learn and do today. Also, ensure that your profiles are complete and active to increase credibility and engagement. Having well-maintained profiles can significantly improve your results. Step 2. Register on the website. The website we'll be using is a social media exchange platform called AdMeFast. To get started, register on the website by providing your email and creating a password. Once logged in, you can see that this platform facilitates engagement exchanges, like follows and likes, between users. This platform has been around for over 12 years and receives substantial traffic, ensuring a wide user base for engagement. Step 3. Using AI to automate tasks. To automate the tasks and accumulate points quickly, we'll use an AI tool. Search for AdMeFast Google Chrome Web Store on Google and install the AdMeFast tool for collecting points. After installing the tool, go back to the AdMeFast website and let the AI bot handle the tasks for you. This tool will automatically perform tasks like liking and following, increasing your points hands-free. You can set it up to run continuously, ensuring you gather points even while you sleep or focus on other activities. Step 4. Accumulate points. As the AI bot performs tasks, your points will increase. These points can then be used to get others to engage with your social media posts. The more points you have, the more engagement you can get. It's essential to let the bot run for extended periods to maximize your point accumulation, which directly translates to more potential for engagement on your posts. Step 5. Monetize your points. With thousands of points accumulated, you can start making money. One effective way is to offer social media marketing services on Fiverr. Many people are making money by selling these services. For instance, a Fiverr seller offers Instagram promotion services and has 195 orders in the queue, charging $100 for the basic plan. This can lead to significant earnings. By offering similar services, you can leverage your accumulated points to fulfill client orders, creating a steady income stream. Ensure you provide clear, honest descriptions of your services to attract more clients and maintain good reviews. Number 2. Benefits of using AI for social media. Utilizing AI for social media automation offers numerous advantages. It saves time, ensures consistent activity, and maximizes engagement efforts without manual intervention. By automating likes, follows, and other interactions, you can quickly build a strong online presence. AI tools can operate around the clock, ensuring your profiles are always active and engaging with others, which helps increase visibility and follower growth. Additionally, this method provides a scalable way to earn points that can be converted into tangible earnings through social media marketing services. With AI, you can focus on creating quality content while the automation handles the repetitive tasks, leading to more efficient and effective social media management. Number 3. Additional tips. 1. If PayPal doesn't work in your country, the website also offers other payment methods like Payoneer. 2. Always be transparent with your clients about the nature of the engagement you're providing. 3. Consider investing in having a custom bot created if the AI tool becomes widely recognized and blocked by the platform. In summary, by following these steps, and using the AI tool to automate the process, you can start earning money online through social media engagement. Remember, while this method won't make you rich overnight, it can provide a steady income stream. For more tutorials on making money online, subscribe to my channel and follow my social media accounts. Beware of scammers pretending to be me and asking for your money. I never ask for money from my followers. This AI-based method is a powerful way to automate social media tasks and turn those engagements into cash.